Welcome to Mountain Valley Real Estate, where you get to virtually walk the property with me so you can get a superior boots on the ground feel for the property. Are you looking for a great home site with utilities already here? One not too far from town and with some good breathing room? Welcome to Mountain Valley Real Estate. I'm John. Oh, and there's my buddy, Land Squatch. If you're new here, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my new property videos, released Fridays at 5 p.m. Today we have 1.6 acres. The address is 10789 Beehive Road in Redding, California. It is listed at $68,000, and seller financing is possible with about 30% down. Here you can come build or set your manufactured home on this improved land located outside of Redding's city center for a more private feel. This 1.6 acres sits on a level pad area and has a little bit of a rolling topography to it. It makes it usable and super easy access from paved Iron Mountain Road. There is a power on the lot line. There's a septic system installed. I'm going to show you its location. And there's excuse me, and there's community water provided by Shasta Community Services District. There's also a fire hydrant right in the area near the property. And this property did burn in the 2018 Carr Fire. The elevation is about 730 feet. Any trees you see out here that are standing are not burned, even if it looks like it in the camera. It's just the camera color differentials. The zoning is rural residential, just 5 miles from downtown Redding, Holiday Market, and much more. Whiskeytown Lake is also just a few miles further up Highway 299 and is perfect for boating, hiking to waterfalls like you see here, swimming, or relaxing on the beach, perhaps in a hammock. So come along with me as I explore this property in detail. And cell phone does work here. The zoning for the property is RRT, which is a rural residential zoning, friendly to homes. Taxes are just over 1% of the assessed value per year. All right, let's get on with the fun stuff. Property line. I put some pink tape up right there. So concentrate on the red area, the red basic square. That's the property approximately. That's the one there. So it goes down here in this line. I'll show you more of that in a minute. Here is your address sign. So then you come in here. This would be your driveway, I suppose. And you've got this area here. It's probably where you're going to put your home. Manufactured home, perhaps a mobile home, as long as it's new enough and meets whatever requirements required these days. Then you've got the antenna here. The antenna, it's kind of cool. Property is fenced right along the road frontage, right here, and you do get this up there. Septic right over here. I flagged the lid. You can kind of see the impression in the ground right here. Septic tank right there. This is hard to do with me looking at it through the camera, but so there's a lid right there. Rebar, typically a lid for a septic tank. So that's the basic size of it. So I'm not an expert in this field here, but yeah, wanted to show you that. We've got some nice mountain views out here. We got some homes over here, homes over there. You've got a lumber yard over there. I don't know if you can hear any of that, but they're just moving some lumber around, sounds like. Got the land squatch right there, although that probably will be moving sometime soon. And there's an aggregate company on the other side of the paved road over there. I don't know if you can see a little bit of a dirt over here, but so there are things going on, people living out here. And let's show you the rest of the property. You got some road frontage here. Takes you down to some other properties. So, I don't know if I can see it myself, but there's a post over here with some pink tape I put on it. That's the approximate corner area. Property line would go like this along here till when I showed you that first tape over there. And then it would go that way along until you hit the road, basically. There's some more pink tape and a little bush over there. Let me go show you real quick. See, we're getting close to the line. There's the road, and this is about the line. So I put some tape in I guess it's a tree, not a bush. Nice pine. And then the other one is right down there. It's a stake, post, whatever. Some tape on it. So we'd run something like that, and then that direction. So you get kind of that there. Hopefully that gives you a good idea. There's a lot of power around here. Power poles. There's one over here. There's one when you first enter the property on the other side of the road. It's got a transformer on it for the neighbor, it looks like. Be great to tap into that one. This one has a transformer. It's over there somewhere. Yeah, don't know which one you tap into, but I'm sure PG&E or the utility does. Also a mountain view over here. Just see the peak of it, and it is bigger than it looks in the camera here, but there's a lumber yard. You can see some of it right along here. All right, well, if you got any questions on this one, give me a holler, which means leave me a comment if you want in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer questions, or you can contact me from my website, mountainvalleyland.com. Yeah. All right, if you like this property, check out that one right there, or this one over here. Got more coming up in the works. Stay tuned.